RE-NEET 2026 examination में the major factor which will play an important role during those 3 hours and 15 minutes is time. Yes, you heard it right. You need to play with time. You need to learn how to manage time in this 3 hours and 15 minutes video. And this video is specially designed to let you know, to acknowledge you that how can you properly utilize the 3 hours and 15 minutes window to attempt your paper wisely. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360, and also we are thankful to SRM University for sponsoring this video so that we can bring all the hacks, tricks, information, updates, everything to you quickly, instantly at your doorstep every time. So here we have a blueprint of our subjects and we have divided it according to the time, and then we'll be telling you what you will be doing in that respective time zone. Okay, let's start with biology first. Biology round 1, you will be attempting all the easy biology questions. You have 90 questions in biology of botany and zoology. In this 45 minutes window, you will be attempting majority of questions, and trust me, you will be finishing majority of questions. If there are 90 questions and if you have gone through the NCERT properly, I am very sure that 70 to 80 questions can be attempted in this time zone. Also, attempting biology first saves a lot of time for chemistry and physics. Next, if I talk about chemistry round 1, that is 45 to 80 minutes. In this time zone, you will be completing all the NCERT based and direct questions of chemistry where no calculation is involved, where no numericals involved. Straight to the point NCERT liner questions of inorganic chemistry, maybe of organic chemistry where the direct equations are asked, or maybe of physical chemistry where theoretical lines are included. Next, in the third zone, we have physics round 1, that is 80 to 130 minutes. That is approximately 50 minutes. In this 50 minutes, we'll be solving the easier questions of physics as well as the moderate physics questions. These easier questions of physics can be from the moderate weighted chapters or the easy chapters like modern physics, semiconductors. Then we have kinematics, etc., which ask direct formula based questions, and that can be easily solved during the stipulated time. Next, we'll be again jumping to biology and we'll be trying to attempt all the difficult questions of biology which had been skipped during the first time. During the first 45 minutes, whatever questions were skipped in biology, we will be attempting them in round 2. So these 15 minutes extra we'll be taking for biology till 145 minutes. We'll be attempting all the questions that were left over. We'll be trying, we'll be understanding, we'll be recalling, and we'll be trying to solve all those questions that were left. Next, we'll be repeating the same for chemistry. We'll be attempting the numerical section during this time, that is 145 to 160 minutes. Whatever the tough questions were there in chemistry, we'll be again going through them, revising them, recalling them, and trying to finish them during this time. For physics at last, we'll be trying to attempt the tougher physics questions which you must encircle while you were attempting them previously. Physics takes a lot of time, remember that, approximately 1 hour, and here we are giving you blueprint which offers you 70 to 80 minutes to solve the physics section. So at first you will be solving the easy and the moderate questions of physics, and for the next 20 minutes you will be solving the difficult or the tougher questions of physics. So my quick suggestion for you would be that there will be 2 rounds in which you will be solving the paper, round 1 and round 2. In round 1 you will be attempting all the easier questions of physics, chemistry and biology, easier to moderate questions, and in the round 2 you will be obviously solving the difficult or the hard questions of physics, chemistry and biology. Next, in the last 15 minutes, because you know that the paper is now for 3 hours and 15 minutes. It will start at 2 p.m. It will end at 5:15 p.m. So OMR review, everything, the final OMR check, question numbering, bubbling errors, everything will be revised, sorted, analyzed during these last 15 minutes. Also, you should be very clear with one advice, that please do not leave the bubbling part of the OMR sheet for the end moment. Keep bubbling the OMR simultaneously while you're solving the question. Either you can do this, or after 5 to 10 questions you can bubble 5 to 10 questions and then move forward. But please do not leave the entire bubbling portion for the end of the examination. इसकी वजह से शायद आपका पेपर incomplete रह जाए और आपका 1 साल और बर्बाद हो सकता है. Okay, so here we have the different subjects: biology, chemistry and physics. 90 questions in biology, 45 in chemistry, 45 in physics. So approximately you should be taking 50 to 55 minutes for biology, 35 to 40 minutes for chemistry, and for physics you should be taking 70 to 75 minutes. Total 15 to 30 minutes for obviously OMR filling, review, etc. Now here we'll be discussing the accuracy targets or the save scores. Okay, in order to score a goal of 650 plus marks, you need to attempt 165 to 170 questions. That is, your accuracy should be 90 to 92%. Since you know that there is negative marking present in the paper, plus 4 marks for each correct answer and minus 1 for negative answers. Therefore, in order to obtain a 650 plus marks, you should be having an accuracy of 90 to 92%. Next, if you are trying to score 600 plus marks, you must be attempting 155 to 160 questions. That is, your accuracy should be 88 to 90%. And if you have attempted 145 to 150 questions, you will be somewhere scoring 550 plus marks, provided that you have maintained an accuracy of 85 to 88%. Now there will be a 3-round method. Let us quickly go through this. In the round 1, we will be attempting the easy questions. Attempt only the questions which can be solved in the 30 to 45 seconds. Skip the lengthy calculations, build momentum and confidence. Also, if some question involves lengthy calculation, please do not keep solving such question which involves a lengthy calculation. Leave it for the end moment. Round 2, for the moderate question, return to the marked questions. Whatever questions were left untouched, please try attempting them again. Spend 1 to 2 minutes per question recalling or remembering the formula, the concept involved in that question, and eliminate the options intelligently. You can obviously use the guessing trick also in this case. Next, for the tougher question, attempt them only if the time remains. Attempt questions where you can eliminate at least 2 options and avoid blind guessing, because there is negative marking involved in the paper. For the OMR strategy, I have already told you that you should not be filling your OMR at the end of the examination. You can fill the OMR after you have solved 10 to 15 questions, and then those 10 to 15 questions can be bubbled on the OMR. Do not leave all bubbling for the last 10 minutes. Use the final 15 minutes only for the OMR verification, unanswered questions check, and roll number and booklet code verification. So that is how you have to fill your OMR. Also remember that you do not have to temper or destroy your OMR while you are attempting the examination. And at last, I hope that you are clear with how to manage your time during the examination. I hope you find this video quite helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360 and also stay tuned for more such informative content. Thank you.